We must join hands together. Everyone, even if it means joining our legs, we must protect our state. We must defend the dignity of our state. We must ensure that the commonwealth of this state belongs to everyone. That is why our slogan is Rivers First. Because we believe that if we take rivers first, there won't be crime. If we take rivers first, there won't be hunger. If we take rivers first, there will be employment. So I want to thank you for deciding to join us. Our journey is just starting. We are preparing for election on the 5th of October. I want you to participate actively in that election. That election is going to be the turnaround. That election is the rebirth of a new and strong structure that doesn't belong to anybody. And you can see that's why they are running everywhere to stop it. Structure, structure, structure. What is structure? Structure is ownership, the one who controls the LGA, the one who controls the resources, the one who gives employment to our local people, the one who shares the state and the local government resources among these people. And that is what I want this government to stand for. So please, ensure that you participate in that election. That election is a very important ingredient that will help us chart the new phase, or would I say the second phase of our struggle. But the most important thing is I want you to continue to maintain the peace that I preach all the time. This state is dear to me. And anyone who loves this state will understand that what is important is to maintain peace. Anybody who is taking the side of violence means he doesn't love the state. That's the truth. If you love the state, you will take the path of peace. So please, while you go about supporting me, maintain law and order. Be peaceful. There are different ways to fight. Even if it's physical fight, I think I still have the capacity. But some battles are not physical. Are not the one you flex muscle. It's the one you use AI to follow. And when you use AI, it's the AI that I'm using that is keeping them restless. So let me thank every one of you again. I will arrange for a further meeting where, in as much as I'm the grand patron as adopted this evening, I still have other children. The other children are other groups and other groups that are there. But I must bring all of you together to work for the common goal of Rivers State. The founder continues to stand for what is right. As Abuja, continue to send the video as you do. Most times when you send it, people call me, there is threat. I say, it has never been easy. That, look, there's a portion in Psalm 23 that said, he prepared a table before me. He didn't say in your friends or enemy. But however, that your cup will overflow. Meaning that at the end of all the thing, there will be victory. So continue to be strong. Be strong for Rivers State. Not for Fubara. Be strong for Rivers State. I can also say this here. If Fubara is not here, God would have also provided another that would have also taken this course. Because it's a divine course. That's the truth. But however, we are the one here who will stand with you, with your support, and we'll walk the walk to the end.